Hi, if you are someone who likes to listen to the same song on repeat or want to watch a particular video multiple times without having to constantly press the replay button, then looping a video can be very helpful. Let me just slide the video towards the end and show you if looping is not enabled. So now when looping is not enabled, it is playing another song. Now let me show you how you could enable looping for any particular video. So once you click on the video, you will see a settings button there and you will see loop audio option. So click on that and select loop video and on. Now let me again slide the video towards the end and see if looping is working. So now you will see the video would be rolled back and the same song would be playing again. Isn't that a great feature? Whatever you were playing in the initial time, the song starts getting played again. Let me repeat that again and check by sliding the video towards the end and see if the video starts playing again. That's it. That's how the song is getting played again from the start. That's it for this video. Now you know how to loop YouTube videos on the YouTube app. Looping a video can be a great way to enjoy your favorite content without having to constantly press the replay button. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Thank you. Bye-bye.